If we look at the results of our survey of 16 countries, we find big differences, cross-cultural differences between them, and how kind of biophilic design affects their productivity, their creativity, and their well-being. So, for example, if we take a look at Canada, Canada needs kind of nature inside the office. That's really important to them. But if you go to India, what they need are big windows with nature outside. And both of those help the kind of well-being of the individual worker. If you go to the United States, windows are really important, but bringing kind of nature inside from outside, as it were, actually doesn't necessarily affect their well-being, but what it does affect is their creativity and productivity. So big differences between countries, the 16 countries we've looked at.